It is always unwise to put all your eggs in one basket. My name is Brian and today I'm here with a new project which is like Adsterra. So in this case, I will say Adsterra alternative. So this works more or less like Adsterra. So I'm going to review this particular project to you. So if you found this helpful or more advanced than Adsterra, you switch to that place. So this is called HillTopAds. Most of you have heard of HillTopAds, but I don't know exactly how it works. So if today happens to be your first time coming across any video of mine on YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel in order to receive more amazing content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I put a content on my channel. Give my video a thumbs up for me to know that you really enjoyed the video, and share the video for others to get the benefits. Without wasting my time, let's bounce back to this video. What I said earlier on, this particular platform is called HillTopAds. This is how it looks exactly. I will leave the link to register for an account in the description and also pin it in the comment section for you to get access to this website. It is like Adsterra. It allows you to monetize your traffic and also your website. So in this case, you can choose to use your website or request for a direct link in order to earn massively over here. One of the most amazing thing about this platform is that it pays weekly, and the minimum withdrawal for USDT TRC20 and ERC20 is 20 USD, meaning you can be withdrawing less than the minimum of 20 USD each and every week. So let's get back to this platform. Let me create an account and show you everything you need to know about this. So as soon as you click on the link in the description, this is the first thing that you see. When you click on the first link, you can see publisher, advertiser, ad format, blog, frequently asked questions, login and sign up. So we are going to sign up using this particular place. So right now I'm going to sign up as a publisher. I'm not going to sign up as an advertiser. I'm going to sign up as a publisher. So when I click on publishers, it will load and move me to the next page so that I can go on and sign up. So you can see join HillTopAds over here, and I am the publisher. Just choose publisher, don't choose an advertiser. So what you have to do next is to enter your name over here. So I'll enter Brian Updates over here. So that is what you have to do next. Just go down and enter your email. So I'll simply enter my email. Then followed by a password that I'll choose. Make sure you choose a very strong password. Okay, so one of the terms and conditions on this particular platform is that they don't allow the use of multiple accounts per single user. Unlike Adsterra, you can create multiple accounts. This particular platform doesn't allow the multiple accounts for a single user. So if they find out, it's either they will ban all the accounts that you're having, or they will ban one, leaving one for you. So what you have to do is to just create one account and work on it to cash out each and every time. So after filling all these places, just click on this box, check this box and click on sign up. So you can see your account has been successfully created. Please check your email. So there will be a verification email sent to your inbox for you to verify your account. So kindly check your inbox in order to verify your account on Hilltop. HillTopAds.com sign up confirmation. So simply click on confirm email and your email will be automatically confirmed. So let's talk about this publisher balance. So this is your balance, and this is a new account, of course. So as you can see, 0.00 USD, and this is my account ID. I don't know whether I have to show this or not. So, and for you to contact your manager, they deal with managers. So if you want to contact, you have any questions about this platform, you want to ask anyone, just click on contact your manager, and you can contact your manager and seek for assistance. This is where you can change your language. So you can change it to German, Spanish, Portuguese, any language that you prefer. And this is the button for logging out. So I think this is all for the dashboard. let me go to the publisher account and talk about the statistics, manage site and zone, then payment history. So the statistics is when you started earning or bringing traffic to this platform, is where statistics is much important, because you're going to get the stats of the traffic you are bringing on this platform. I've already explained what traffic means in my previous video, so if you want to get the concept of all these, simply watch all my videos and you can get the concept of this ads network, how they work and how they operate. They operate in similar ways. They are not all that the differences are not that wide. So talking about the statistics is when you started bringing traffic over here. So you can see no statistics found for selected filters. So let's move to the manage site and zone, which serves as one of the most important parts of this website that you have to understand most to start earning on this platform. So unlike Adsterra that you can see direct links and websites, this place is being merged into two. You can see it's over here, it's being merged into two. So let me select it again. For this website, requesting for direct link is instant. It doesn't be on pending for some seconds before the direct link will be activated for you. So in this case, I'll be choosing direct link and I will explain the ad sites later. So when I click on add direct link, they will be asking me the name. So in this case, they are asking for the name that you want to call your direct link. I'll be pasting this direct link on Twitter so that whenever I check the statistics, I'll know that it is from Twitter. Any impression, any revenue that I get is from this direct link is from Twitter. And the category here is mainstream and non-mainstream. That is very simple. So the mainstream means ads with non-adult content, and the non-mainstreams is the ads with adult content. So as compared to Adsterra, you can see Adsterra give you the chance for you to select some type of ads, erotic ads, gambling ads, and other ads from that. But in this, we've add all the erotic ads and other ads which are categorized to 18 plus. So there now you get your direct link over here. So you can see my direct link Twitter over here, and the traffic is 0. Yesterday payout statistics is 0. So this is exactly how you can copy your direct link. Simply click on this direct link. Sorry, let me go back, zoom a little bit for you to see. The direct link down here under the chat icon. So this is the direct link. Simply click on it and you can see your direct link right over here, and you can select it this way. Can select this way and Control-C to copy it, or click on this URL button and it will be copied to your clipboard. So as soon as I click on it, you can see copied over here, meaning the link has been copied to my clipboard. So after getting your direct link, you know what to do with a direct link, right? There is no need for me to tell you what to do with your direct link. Just be posting it on where you think you will be getting a lot of impressions from. So let me talk about adding a website to this particular platform. So if you want to add ad codes to your website, which will bring impressions or clicks to this HillTopAds, simply click on add site. So they will ask your domain, that's your website's name. So simply, let's say I'll add my website name over here. Then I'll select mainstream. Then I click on add sites. So the ad site is something like it will ask you to verify the site's ownership. They want to actually know that if the site belongs to you or it doesn't belong to you. So you can see one is upload this file to the root of the site, and you add the following method to the HTML of your main homepage, which is going to serve as the verification for your site. This is quite complicated. I don't like using sites for ad network. They come with lower CPM. For me, that is what I've experienced from the past 3 months or 4 months using Adsterra. So I think these two might work the same. So in order to avoid any wahala, any problem, just go by the direct link and it will be very simple how the payments are being made on this platform. So what you have to do is to go to my accounts. If you go to my account, you're gonna get a lot of options, a lot of payment methods over here. So this place you can update your profile over here. That's your name, your last name, and update your profile. But for now, it's not necessary. So what you have to do is to go to payment information. So you can see, ask your publisher manager for additional payouts options. So assuming if you click on this and your desired payments option is not here, just click on contact your manager and ask for additional payouts options. But for now, I'll be using USDT. So USDT is very simple. If you don't have any wallet, just download Binance or Trust Wallet in order to get USDT, TRC20 or ERC20 wallet address, or you can use wire transfer. So all these are some of the ways that you can use to receive money from HillTopAds. I prefer using the USDT TRC20. I select this and you have to use your USDT TRC20 wallet address over here. You paste it over here, and as I said earlier on, the minimum payout for USDT TRC20 network is 20 USDT and the transaction fee is 0.25% over here. So you can change your minimum payout to 100 or thousands, any amount that you wish, but the minimum is 20. The minimum is 20 over here. So after entering order, simply click on save payment information. So someone may ask, how is the payout done? Because we know Adsterra payouts are done from first and second and 16th and 17th of each and every month, of which your balance will be on 2 weeks pending before it makes the next payout dates. Let's go to frequently asked questions and we will get a lot of insights about this particular platform. So you can see, let's select how can I withdraw my income. So this will show us some insights about how the payments is being done on HillTopAds. So the first one is talking about how can I withdraw my income, and they are talking about the payment options being Bitcoin, Capitalist, of which I've not heard about this. You can make research about this and probably it will be one of the best payout setting for you. Pazon, PayPal, wire transfer, e-pay service, web money, and USDT, of which it includes ERC20 and TRC20, so that you can withdraw your income. And you need to select your service in my account section, of which I've already showed you previously. So in order to receive payments, you need to earn a minimum amount of the money considering a 7-day hold. Okay, so HillTopAds hold your funds for 7 days before it's being sent to your account, unlike Adsterra, which holds it for 14 days. 14 days, that's 2 weeks. So let's see something over here. How much does HillTopAds takes to approve my website? That's for people using websites, and I'm not going there because I'm not using website. And we all know withdrawal is the last stage in the life cycle of making money online. So payment options and time scales. So we pay every 7 days on Tuesday with a 7-day hold. If you start sending traffic on the 1st of the month, then your first payment will be on the 14th of the month, because there will be a 7-day hold. You receive payments from 1st till 17th of the month. That is if it hits on Tuesdays, because they used to pay on Tuesday. So the next payout will be 21st day of the month. You receive payments from 8th till 14th day of the month, and so on. So let's focus on how you can make money over here, and withdrawal will be much simple. So I'll be bringing tips and tricks on how you can be making a lot, how you can increase CPM on HillTopAds, and some other techniques you need to know to get a lot of money on HillTopAds. Not forgetting, there are a lot of ways that you can be earning, not bringing traffic over here. If you introduce people to this platform, you are going to get some amount of percentage from the money that you are getting. Not necessarily that they will be deducting from the person that you referred to the platform, but it will be a form of reward. So if you want to refer someone, just go to the referral program tab and you click on it. You can see the current referral program percent over here. For advertisers, it's 5%, as publishers too, it's 5%. So anyone you refer on this platform, you're going to be rewarded 5% of their money lifetime. So you can see the earnings from advertiser from then the blah 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 30 days. I've not referred anyone over here. So if you've referred someone, you can go to the referral list and see the total number of people that you've referred to HillTopAds. So this is your referral link. This is your referral link. So simply select all this and Control-C or click on copy, and copy to your clipboard in order to share with your friends for all of us to cash out. As I said on Adsterra, The goal is for all of us to cash out from this ads network, and it's very simple on brand updates. So subscribe to the channel in order to receive more amazing content, more tips, more tricks on how you can grow or maximize your earnings on HillTopAds and Adsterra. I'll be adding tips and tricks on AdSense in some few days. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Let's meet on my next video.